Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni atafanirie mucemanio wa mbere na utongoria wa bunge ya bururi na Senate kurumirira mogaruruku matiganite na maria matafanirio kamiti-ini itiganite. Undu umwe na ituro-ini ingi cia utongoria thiini wa bunge na iria ciacungiriirie aruna hakuhi ya munini wake William Ruto. Mahagurwo kuma iturwa ngurani cia utongoria thiini wa bunge ya bururi undu umwe na Senate.
That through this I'm beginning to see those new beginnings of the kind of Kenya that we want to see. We have been able to get to a level of trust and confidence that we can have a division of labor. Mwingine yako huko na mwingine yako huko, and everybody confident that we are talking the same language and we are moving in the same way.
Na kurumirira kambini cia githurano kia mwaka wa 2022 iria ikoretwo igitabanio na njira nene ni miahungurani ya kiuteti bururi-ini. President ni ahuthirire mucemanio uyu guthingata atongoria kwamba gutiganiria uteti na cioneki ciao cia githurano giukite niguo kuruta mweke wa gukinyaniria uthii wa nambere kuri akenya ritana riria akoretwo agikia kaingi na kaingi ritegutio.
I took the risk of going to France because for the first time we were going to engage with a French company that was going to invest $1.5 billion as a private sector enterprise with a return of 30 years with no government guarantee or security. Why? It was because I needed to be able to answer their questions. And what are their questions? What guarantee do you give that there will be political stability, that in my 30 years I'll get my money back? That's the question number one.
And this is really, for me, a very important occasion. And it should continue. We have a very, very unique situation. We have really never had it in this country, where really both sides of the house are pursuing a common agenda. It never really has happened.
Ni mucemanio gutanyitwo gukorwo ri wa kiuteti na makiria kuhaririria kurekererio kwa riboti ya BBI na iria itanyitwo kurekererio ica-ini ikuhi. Guku President Kenyatta akienda atongoria ya kunina ndũgamano iria ikoretwo kuo kwa ihinda gatagati ka bunge ici igiri na iria ugite ikoretwo iri muhinga munene hari mihango ya thirikari gukinyaniria tabarĩra itiganite.
And on behalf of Senate, I want to assure you that we will go out of our way to push your agenda to fast track anything that needs to be fast tracked in the Senate so that we are able to move in one direction. Mutongoria
wa bururi ningi ni ahinyiriirie bata wa bunge ya kuhanyukia kuhitukia mitaratara yothe ya watho iria irahutania na ituge cia Kenya cia uthii wa nambere niguo guteithĩrĩria thirikari kuhingiria Kenya ciĩranĩro cia uthii wa nambere murugamo uria unyitirwo mbaru ni abunge aya.
We were famous for adjournments on the formula issue. It took your intervention, Your Excellency, to bring that stalemate to an end. I really want to thank you because that is going to benefit the entire country. And just assure you that we will continue supporting you and let us continue moving together as one team for the prosperity of this country.
Will as many as what opinion say aye?
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitogo Mwaura, Wagunya.